Ford Fiesta 1.4 petrol. Should you ever want to wire something from your cigarette lighter to the top of your car, say for example a dash cam, just basically take off this panel, which is with that screw, feed it underneath here, and then also remove this panel with 4 or 5 screws. It's kind of like one with this little money thing in it, and then you can basically pull this off and then pull this other bit of trim off, which is here, and then it kind of lets you just feed a wire all the way up once you pull this trim off, and then you can feed a wire all the way through to the top of through the roof from the centre console, which is pretty cool.